size for there. Well, there we are now. That's my chimney scaffold, and I'm just going up there now to put the handrail on, so when I get there I'll show you how I built it. It's a fairly ubiquitous tubular steel scaffold tower, and it actually feels steady as a rock. I've made two massive great hinges, I think you could call them hinges anyway, which go over the ridge. And they're in turn anchored to these 9x2s, which take the weight of the scaffold, and we've screwed some 2x3s across just to stop the scaffold feet from sliding about. The days when I was willing to go on roofs and work on chimneys without scaffolding are over. I still would rather not work on roofs if I didn't have to, but here I am again.